Hello, welcome in. This is JJ with Joy. I am Joy. Glad to have you here. This is a flip through of an old sweetheart of mine. This book was a 1902 book, and it has a little damage from, there's a line here from pen that you can tell was probably put on there by a child, perhaps. A little bit of wear on the lady's face, but from opening and closing it. A little wear on the edge, but that's what gives it a character, and I absolutely loved it. The original version of this book was 1888. I just thought it was very pretty. It has a lot of poems in it, and it's just beautifully written, and I took out all the pages and replaced the pages using some of the original book with a digital kit that is by Junk with Steph on Etsy. And the name of the kit is Love Letters. So, now I'm going to read what it says just because it makes it a little easier for you. I hope it doesn't bore you to death, but it says, "'Tis a fragrant retrospection for the loving thoughts that start into being are like perfume from the blossom of the heart." Now, this tells the story of a girl and a boy, and I just think the images are really cute. Now, the digital kit, I did use some scrapbook paper on the outside, but the digital kit itself is from Junk with Steph. I did use Crackling Campfire, and it's a mix of kind of the red orange to pink, as you can tell, a little bit of pink, and I don't know, I thought it went together, so that's the way I did it. Now, some of the images in here are not Junk with Steph, like these here. I don't believe are. They might be, but I didn't look. But different little pages here. I did use some of the Tim Holtz tape. I really like that. Now, it's a story, and it's a lot of poems, and I just think they're really cute. It says, "And from recess romp in again, from Blackman's broken line, to smile behind my lesson at that old sweetheart of mine." So they were already getting a little sweet on each other back then. I left some writing space. This has just a clip with, oh, I didn't do the back of that. Let me do the back of that real quick. You know, we got to keep it all uniform, and if I don't do it now, it probably won't get done. So anyway, I had all made it beautiful with the same color everywhere. And it says, "But I follow her from spelling with her hand behind her, so I slip the apple in, and the teacher doesn't know." See, they're being a little mischief in their very vintage age. I think that is really cute. Then it skips forward, and they get married here. So that was kind of my thought. This is the digital kit, but this is from the front of the book. I think this little marriage license thing is awfully cute. It says, "Make a little nest with me." Now, this is where two of the charms are hanging, the flower and the feather. I'll get it out of my mouth. A little feather. "I can see the pink sunbonnet and the little checkered dress she wore when I first kissed her, and she answered the caress." That marriage license probably is out of sync, but anyway, she's on her tippy toes. I think it's so cute. Now, the book had pardon me, had a little poem part here, and then on the back it had another poem part, so I had to choose which was which. I did end up finding off of a Russell Stover. It had like a perfect heart, so I had cut out all of these hearts, and it worked perfect because, then you had this beautiful heart that fit the words in it, so I liked that a lot. Nothing else to do. That was part of the book, and there's part of the digital. It says, "Two dear little lovebirds, my love to send to thee, there for my Valentine to help you think of me. As we used to talk together of the future we had planned. Nay, let me then believe in all the blended false and true, the symbolism of the old love and the substance of the new." The little birdie was from the digital kit, and I just put a little tuck spot there to add some more. Page had torn off and I just left it, you know, why not? There's a letter here that I didn't read it. I think it came in the kit, but I made it tuck in right here. Excuse me. This is part from the book. It had real faint images here, so I added that in with a little bit of vintage see-through type paper. This is an image from the book here, and the digital kit, just a little pocket there. So, an old sweetheart of mine, is this her presence here with me, or but a vain creation of a lover's memory? And it kind of has like they're faded off into the forest. Isn't that kind of cool? Whoever wrote this was really talented. Another little, this is part of a digital kit. When we should live together in a cozy little cot, hid in a nest of roses with a fairy garden spot. I like the edges all here and there. If you're interested in this book, let me know, because I will put it for sale. The lamp light seems to glimmer as I turn it low to rest my eyes. This ever restful sense of home, those shouts ring in the hall. The easy chair, old bookshelves, and prints along the wall. This is the inside of the second signature with the, it's got a dragonfly and a bird cage charm. I'm not sure this is her kit, actually there. A face of lily beauty with a form of airy grace floats out of my tobacco as the genie from the vase. The genie, I guess. They spelled it weird back then, but anyway. So I turn the leaves of fancy till in shadowy design I find the smiling features of an old sweetheart of mine. The images are pretty, I think. Part of the digital kit, and I just put another little writing spot, tucked it in there. Though I hear beneath my study, like a fluttering of wings, the voices of my children and the mother as she sings. Part of the digital kit. And this makes me cry. But it says, as she, my faithful sweetheart, till the golden hair was gray. So here she is as an older woman, and evidently he's passed away. So what I gather from the story. It says, as we should be so happy that when either's lips were dumb, they would not smile in heaven till the other's kiss had come. And I have a embossed thing from that I put in all my journals now. So that is all. Thank you for watching and following me, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and ring the bell and subscribe, ring the bell if you would like to see more from me. And I will see you next time. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.